Hello guys, welcome back to Dudes Talking Facts. यार
आज मेरे को भूख लगी थी and even this guy. So
Nothing.
if you've seen our episodes, you know him.
How to make money.
He is back for part 2. He wants that DTF.
DTF
to be
fame.
again.
DTF to make money.
सही बात है. Bro has recently blown up on his Instagram. So if you see any reel related to miniatures, he's your guy. You probably liked it and sent it to your friends. Go ahead.
True that.
but miniatures को तुम्हें इतनी क्यों पसंद है? मुझे बताओ. खाना start
चलती
करो.
है bro.
Miniatures blow
चलती
up हो
है.
गई.
Blow up होती है.
एक चली, दो चली,
तीन
तीन
चली,
चार
चार
पाँच छह
चली.
सात आठ. Smart move भाई.
But
Let's food review.
why do you like them so much?
Because I don't drink miniatures.
You don't?
No, I don't.
Oh.
I do drink, but I don't drink miniatures. I keep them. So basically,
Collector.
I collect them.
वो और खाना आ गया.
Yeah, we would need tissues.
So मेरी बात.
भैया टिश्यू ला दो.
भैया टिश्यूज ला दो.
टिश्यू ला दो. Thank you.
डांट दिया, डांट पड़ी. तू एक काम कर, तू गाड़ी चला ले. तू खा मत. OTP. So let's talk about.
Miniatures. Like, okay. So I'll tell you how and why do I do miniatures. So first of all, I don't just drink miniatures.
ये तो गरम है. ये अच्छा लग रहा
खाना
है.
start कर. तू खाना start कर.
एक सेकंड.
Please don't let this drop.
So
Food
beautiful.
review.
ASMR
मेरा लड़का.
mukbang. निको काढ़ो avocado. खा के देखते चल भाई.
Bhai, but he pulled the fucking craziest shit I've ever seen.
But can you?
No. I can't.
गले में चला गया मेरे. Solid 8. 8.5 even.
Of course, Mohak ordered this.
Hmm.
This place is going to stay secret. All the people who already know that I've gotten them here. Man का लड़ना भाई.
I'll ungatekeep your.
Secrets.
I'm a gatekeeper's worst enemy. Thank you भैया. Thank you भैया. Thank you भैया. उन्होंने thank you क्यों बोला मेरे को? मेरी थी वो. हाँ, so you were talking about your Instagram.
Miniatures.
घंटे से वही है.
Basically, bro likes miniatures. Everybody likes miniatures. Reach up.
Okay, so I'll tell you why and why are miniatures for. So I got my first miniature when I was in Goa. So I was like, okay, I'll keep it as a memory. I didn't use it. I kept it. Then I was like, 2025 में जितने भी happening events होंगे, like कुछ ना कुछ crazy होगा. So I'll get one miniature corresponding to it and reminisce it at the end of the year कि okay, this should happen. And then after that, I'll start giving it away to my friends जिसके साथ memory बनाई होगी.
Okay.
So it would hold meaning and then I'll give it away. Or so I'm not sure if I'll give it away or buy them the same miniature as a memory की साथ में रख.
You'll have one of each.
Yeah, one of each. So it can be. Or if I get bored, I'll just give it away. कि अब मेरे को नहीं रखना, तू ही रख. But it holds
the
meaning.
wrong fucking friends. Miniatures मिल रही हैं यहाँ पे.
टीवी बहन
But
के
no,
लड़े
it-
खत्म खत्म है वो.
नहीं नहीं.
नहीं.
Why? So you're not finishing
no,
them?
No. They're not empty bottles. They're भरी हुई bottles. And even if you
मतलब
get
तेरे को
one,
तो बस पीना है.
no, if you get one, you're not supposed to drink one. You have to keep it.
That is some next level.
Truth pagal activity.
No. I'll just want to drink it more if someone tells me not to drink it.
No, I'll get you a bigger bottle. Go pee.
Oh, miniature की भाई यार ये new best friend bro. I'm sorry. The door's open. क्या? मेरा खोल रहा था. So anyways, let's talk about where we left off the last episode about Stellar.
Yeah.
How's that going?
Stellar is going fine. So I've been doing bigger and sort of better gigs.
लास्ट किक कौन सा था?
ISF.
I remember.
Talk about the
21 Savage.
concert.
LS
do that.
fuck. Photos are good. International artists photos definitely way better. But LS fuck.
I'm just salty because I didn't go, so I'll just badmouth it. Chutiya concert.
How was Coldplay?
Peak. कौन मार रहा है? तू मार रहा है?
मार रहे हैं।
पागल
तू नहीं मारा क्या?
मैं क्यों मारूंगा भाई?
Ooh, honking.
Bro, there's no driver पिछली गाड़ी में।
हॉर्न किस तेरा हाथ लगा है
हाँ, तेरा हाथ लगा है।
मैंने नहीं मारा। आगे कर लेता।
अभी ड्राइवर ही नहीं है गाड़ी में।
अबे आगे कर लेता ना, उसने भी तो ऐसे भी तो बोला
अभी
ही।
यहाँ कोई आएगा फिर
पीछे कर लेंगे।
कोल्डप्ले तो भाई आई टॉक्ड अबाउट कोल्डप्ले आई
But
नेवर स्टॉप
अहमदाबाद वाला is better, बॉम्बे वाला was shit.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है
बॉम्बे वाला was shit.
बॉम्बे का क्राउड वाज वे बेटर अहमदाबाद में हर 1,000 रुपए में टिकट्स बिकी
Is it?
हाँ एटलीस्ट बॉम्बे क्राउड वाज थोड़ा छटावा इफ आई मस्ट से एंड लाइक थोड़े लाइक I think if posh is the right word, but no, it's not even about the crowd. Everybody is going to say उनके पास crowd अच्छा था. अब जो 21 Savage पे गया है वो बोलेगा कि भाई नहीं crowd तो अच्छा था क्योंकि it's the people that surround you over there.
Yeah.
I am not bad mouthing it. The point being is where I was like as I use the exact words almost near Chris Martin's ballsack. So the people around me were nice because everybody was dedicated enough to come early and show up early
To see the
because,
ballsacks.
Yeah, exactly. We just love balls.
That's crazy.
So,
That's a crazy.
The vibe was immaculate. The lighting, the production, the band, bro. But Chris Martin ठीक है. The guitarist Guy Berryman, भाई इतना sexy बंदा है वो. He could low-key get it anyway.
What do you mean?
He could get it.
What?
He could get it.
Please elaborate.
I didn't get it.
I don't want to.
I didn't get it.
Those who get it. So yeah, Coldplay. Oh यार, भाई यार, तेल गिरा ये नहीं जाएगा अब.
थोड़ा सा बाहर डोला.
क्या होगा? इससे क्या होगा? तेल निकल जाएगा.
Hey, can we move the camera to his ballsack?
Do it. My hands are oily. It will गिर जाएगा. रुक जा.
कोई
मेरे को
नहीं.
करने दे.
अरे दूसरे फोन
मैं पिक्चर डाल दूंगा.
Fucking oil stain and I'll cover my. Amazing. Just
ऑडियो
amazing.
बुक्स खोल दी मेरे.
Just amazing. भाई यार मेरे को पता था ऐसा कुछ होगा.
तो मैं देखो क्या कह रहा हूँ,
टिश्यू
निकल जाएगा.
पेपर दे अब क्या करूंगा? घर जाके साफ होएगा ये और मम्मी गांड मारेंगी. ज़ारा की जीन्स खराब कर दी.
अबे तू खोल के थोड़ा सा इसको तो डोल ले, ये भी गिर जाएगा.
उनकी दुकान के सामने गंदा करूंगा.
अबे पागल लड़के, इधर से मत डोल.
अरे नहीं गिरेगा.
This guy, I swear.
coming back at me.
So our concerts were nice, our life is nice, except like this guy went all the way to Bombay.
We were just talking about
Oh, please.
Coldplay's
And-
ballsack, and he wet his
And
pants.
even location wise Bombay is like very unbeatable. If you're talking about अहमदाबाद में तुम घूम नहीं सकते. मैं literally बीच पे रुका हुआ था and it was like the
तुम
best
दारू नहीं
time
पी
of my
सकते अहमदाबाद में.
life. Exactly. हमने भी नहीं पी बॉम्बे में.
वो कॉन्सर्ट पे दारू नहीं थी.
कॉन्सर्ट पे
Coldplay.
दारू थी बट भाई who would be drunk, who would be stupid enough to get drunk at a Coldplay concert? I don't want to black out and not
मैं
remember
अहमदाबाद पे
shit.
कह रहा हूँ.
अहमदाबाद पे नहीं थी अल्कोहल.
लिकर नहीं थी.
Obviously
That's
कैसे?
crazy.
I don't know about launch tickets. Maybe hope. Permission नहीं थी. Anyways.
Try a shit.
That should.
Anyways. Minor oopsie daisy.
They should have kept it in Delhi.
दिल्ली में JLN स्टेडियम में आएंगे इतने लोग. वहाँ पे उनका वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा कॉन्सर्ट हुआ है. Why would they not do that?
World का, no India का.
World. Ahmedabad is the largest stadium in the world. 1.5 लाख की तो कैपेसिटी थी.
Yeah, okay.
तभी तो इतनी हाइप हुई है अहमदाबाद की.
Largest stadium है वो.
लार्जेस्ट स्टेडियम है वर्ल्ड में.
It was India, it is not world.
वर्ल्ड का बिगेस्ट कॉन्सर्ट हुआ है. टोटल दोनों दिन की ऑडियंस वाज
Might be Asia. Might be Asia का.
वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट.
bro,
वर्ल्ड
yeah.
लार्जेस्ट. सर्च कर अभी. तू कर. Google it and prove me right.
I would, but I'm eating.
Yeah, so okay, enough about concerts. Let's talk about
We'll just put it in the edit.
The political.
क्या पर no
No, not the political and economic. Bro! So, how's work at Stellar?
It's good.
How do you like your employees?
Do you think Samir Raina will post another video?
Travis Scott.
Good question.
Do
I'm
you
sorry,
think
guys.
Samir Raina will post another video next week? What are the odds?
I don't think he will post another video next week. I think
But he will
wait-
eventually.
He will wait for it to die down.
But will Samir Raina pull?
मैंने एक
Kanye?
चीज देखी थी. It pisses me off actually. समय रहने वाले सीन के अंदर CMs are going and complaining about it to like fucking
Ministries and all.
ministries and all, and अपना क्या कहते हैं, the guy who killed himself over the divorce thing,
Yeah.
the girl who wanted I think
And
3
yeah,
crores
yeah.
or 2 crores, whatever it was,
Monthly, she was asking for some, I don't know, 8-9 lakh rupees. or
and
something.
ऊपर से like a lump sum as well, na?
Yeah, the alimony thing.
हाँ, so he killed, and no CM stood up.
Like not even a tweet.
No, हाँ.
People are treating jokes as a problem and problems as a joke.
Look, that was nice, but then it comes out of Vikalp's mouth is why I don't like it.
No, but at least
Yeah,
he's having a good
It was a
perspective.
good point.
Yeah, it's a good.
I saw it on Instagram reel.
Oh, yaar, I thought for once Vikalp was original.
But have you seen that reel? No, but it's original. I'm just being transparent, so yeah. But that is very real. अब कौन ऑन मार रहा है बहनचोद?
हमें कोई नहीं मारा.
अच्छा साइड वाली बस थी. Anyways, नहीं बजा.
बचा ही नहीं था, मैं तो वेट कर रहा था कुछ बोलने का.
हाँ, बजाई ना. यार मत कर यार.
अच्छा ठीक.
But भाई it is just stupid. Reddit's God.
Even God doesn't want him to speak.
Getting mad over a Reddit joke.
That wasn't even original.
पता कितना पुराना है?
Exactly.
And I feel bad for क्या नाम है उसका भैया?
Ranveer Alavadiya. This question is absolutely baseless. Like,
Yeah, it's supposed to be a stupid question.
yeah,
It's supposed to be a fucking stupid question.
there's no answer to it.
There is no answer to it unless you change them.
You just get awkward and you'll be like, just laugh it out. Oh, bro, crazy question and that shit. For a dumb and dumber audience, I
And
think
इतना
that was the whole
unprovoked
purpose.
question था दो.
Hmm.
कोई कुछ sense नहीं थी, बस उसने randomly
And he wasn't even expecting an answer. He was just expecting a laugh, I think.
And he got it because that is the fucking point. If people
Yeah.
are paying to watch that shit,
He wasn't asking that. Neither he was meaning that. He was just trying to make.
मेरे को एक चीज बता. Does like everyone expect him to fucking ask like?
तेरे पास है already. हाथ हटा. ये यहाँ रख दे बीच में. कि भाई बाबा.
Eventually गिरने वाला था अभी.
क्या ही गिरेगा? हाँ. चौक डालियो.
Like what did people expect him to do?
वहाँ पे आके philosophy तो
Talk
चोदेगा नहीं वो.
about fucking
Yeti.
अपना भगवान है.
आप ज़ूम में जाते हो, आप बंदर को देखोगे
And
तो
also
आपको
the point being, कि he's being criticized by all these people. कि he has a platform on which he has to portray a good person. or
हाँ,
whatever.
lot of platforms.
Also understand what kind of platform this is. There's a difference between the platforms he is on, na. It's not like his personality is
हाँ,
like
तो
super
अपने
great.
प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो कर ही नहीं रहा.
He's not a spiritual guru that he has to keep a persona.
He's not a monk.
Exactly. He's a
ये तो मैंने डालनी है,
podcaster.
मेरे से ले लो.
Yeah.
मेरे से ले लो.
He's a podcaster.
It's just a messed up world. It's just a messed up country. It's messed up.
चलाऊं मैं फेंक दे.
People are just snowflakes. ये भी खत्म. ये खा लेना. ये फिर एक
हो
साथ
गया.
डाल देना.
This is spicy, भाई.
हरी मिर्च कटी हुई है.
हाँ, वही that.
That's why I said.
Yeah,
तभी मैंने एक बहुत माइल्ड चीज मंगाई है.
that was very nice. That was very nice.
ऐसे मैंने बहुत माइल्ड चीज मंगाई थी.
This is like if you eat the chop, it's like Loki dead फिर मिर्ची एकदम आ जाती है.
वाली रोटी
I
के
ordered
साथ.
that. I'm just good with it.
No, I like your photography and your order as well.
It's the third time I swear to God.
He really doesn't want you to talk.
God bless me. I think someone is
I think
thinking of me.
that should have happened to Ranveer Alavadiya in the show.
Yeah. Have you? Do you?
God didn't save him. God said अपनी माँ.
अब तो गए भाई, but ठीक है.
But what do you think? What will happen? Like a similar case as AIB, will it be closed or
ये भी हुआ क्यों था? मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
they made remarks on Sachin Tendulkar and Lata Mangeshkar, and that was the part wherein the public sentiment was hurt.
By the sentiments
Never
na,
did it.
sentiments shouldn't be hurt, man. If it's a guy who's joking. I really like one thing about Americans, and there is this one comedian. Do you know him? Ricky
No.
Ricky Gervais.
Ricky Gervais.
Favorite guy.
Netflix, bro.
He's my favorite guy.
He jokes about pedophilia. Open when nobody bats an eye because that shit is funny. People want to see that.
That shit is supposed to be that way.
People were going to this event for what is it called? Minimum wage workers and everything. That how they don't get paid well and everything. He said, like all the actors, everyone was going to this event. I don't know what event it was. And he tweeted, finally the people who are working at their houses will get some time to sleep. You see, that's funny. Man, he just says shit and still is famous. Nobody gets to cancel him.
He's just like, fuck you.
He really doesn't give a fuck. India needs to grow the fuck up. India needs to grow the fuck
And
up.
I don't think like he should have apologized publicly.
Who?
Ranveer.
Did he?
He did. तभी
Yeah,
वो Travis Scott वाली video recreate, like he's just not crying.
No, crying was
हाँ,
COVID वाला.
वो पहले एक बार ही करा था. Just be like ठीक है बोल दिया. Yeah, okay. What can you do about it? Cry about it. I'll say it again.
But it's India now. India is more like they need an issue to, hassle about.
सुसु कर दी.
I don't
देख भी
agree
नहीं
with
रहा.
your
देख भी नहीं
विचारधारा. I don't agree with your विचारधारा.
Because we should sue him.
How about my पेशाब?
Because you should sue him.
I'll sue him.
You should sue him.
I'll sue.
Sue me. Sue me.
Ni hao has.
Ni hao has.
Okay, so yeah. So in conclusion, I think it's just stupid. I think
It
it's
really is.
fucked up, and I think people should stop being such snowflakes. And if you don't
Yeah.
like it, there's a
Just
dislike button,
unsubscribe.
do it.
And no, not even unsubscribe. It's a paid subscription. It's a fucking paid subscription to watch that video. People are paying to get offended.
And like, where do you draw
Just
the
don't
line
pay.
for it to be cancelable in India? Where is the line? If
Bhai,
like
there was
if
this time Samay said कि if my show gets cancelled, there is this guy who came on the show. He said कि जहाँ पे भी जाता हूँ ना वो जगह बंद हो
बंद हो
जाती है.
जाती है.
हाँ, ठीक है. So he said अगर ये जगह बंद हुई ना तो एक गांड खोल दूंगा मैं. भाई saying that shit to your fucking what is it called? The person that comes to your show,
Yeah.
like a fucking contestant. Is that worse? Isn't that fucking worse than saying whatever he did?
See, the audience has paid to watch that shit. The
अरे
judges
फेंक
are
ना यार.
of speech.
अभी बता.
the judges are paid. Like not paid, but are openly willing to do. Yeah,
they're
willing to do it. The contestants are saying okay.
And the contestants know what they're getting into.
Yeah,
they know
they
it's
know.
not going to be sunshine and rainbows. And
Disabled people also, when that disabled guy came, he also said, yeah, what else can I expect if I'm coming on a fucking roast show?
to be honest, it was not supposed to be a roast show. It
It
was
is-
just supposed to be
No,
people
but
showing their
it's-
talent.
yeah,
भाई
it's a
it's
dark,
समय
Fucked
bro.
up talent.
Yeah,
But yeah, but people have an idea कि भाई वहाँ पे
समय बैठा
comedy
है.
is going to be the
Yeah,
90% factor.
You're gonna be made fun of. It's not the actual talent. It was like, तुम क्या crazy कर सकते हो? वही
India's
वाली
Got Talent में यही तो डिफरेंस है और इसमें यही तो डिफरेंस है कि वहाँ पे तुम कुछ भी गलत भी कर दो तुम्हें they'll praise you because
You might be
your mother died.
No,
Because your fucking mother
that's
died.
sympathy. No, because there was this episode where I think Kiran, the judge at India's Got Talent, ki, so a girl was twerking
And she was like,
and she was like, you can't. No, but her point was kind of valid. She was mixing a classical dance with
With-
twerking.
that
So
was-
she found that offensive.
yeah.
She said कि या तो तुम सिर्फ twerking करो या तो तुम
Yeah,
classical
then
dance
that's
करो.
valid. Then that's valid. Because that's
Fake it.
disrespect only.
And a family show like
Fake
that, if you can air somebody twerking on national television, I don't think this is the problem.
He will hear.
Yeah, I think also it might be a propaganda that people just don't want his show to be there.
Propaganda. भाई याद है propaganda याद है तेरे को? कौन किसकी बात कर रहा हूँ? जिसकी अभी कमेंट कर दिया था मैंने. waiting for the co-host to join.
Propaganda to come in.
Propaganda to come back.
Bro, looks like Drake's Nightfall.
Big ass spot on
No,
my
wait, stand outside and click a picture.
क्यों?
We should add it in the podcast. A fucking
Yeah.
Drake's Nightfall. How would a Drake's Nightfall would look?
They came this way. Haha, let's make fun of because.
No, bro, we are
Did you
praising
just
you.
close your door?
नहीं नहीं.
अच्छा.
Why would he close my
अबे
door?
फिर से खोल के बंद कर.
एक second. I'm an easy target.
No, bro, we're calling you Drake. Oh. Is it better?
No.
Sorry, my bad.
This one.
So we were talking about propaganda.
Yeah, propaganda.
Enough about India's got latent.
Now let's talk about some.
Should we talk about propaganda?
No, we
Yeah,
should.
what is
Please,
propaganda?
yaar.
What is a propaganda?
Propaganda is just.
We should spread propaganda.
We should spread. We don't need to
Can
spread.
you not break so abruptly so that my phone does not fall again?
I'll try my
I'll break
best.
your ganda properly.
Yo, who's that guy, man? Crazy guy. Crazy guy.
Anyways, let's do some.
Let's call some random ass person propaganda.
अब यहाँ किसी को prank call करना है?
हाँ तो anyways, okay.
Anyways.
So let's talk about a
Anyways.
good topic.
Anyways.
That is,
Anyways.
do you think
Vikalp, do you like baddies?
I
Bro, those baddies, those piercing baddies.
मुझे
Which
Bro.
fishnets?
Krishna ka,
No,
Krishna
I don't
ka.
fuck with that.
Bro, you don't fuck with Krishna ka?
No, I'm answering him.
You don't fuck with baddies.
No, those are nice. Like they've cracked the algo. They just put
Yeah.
they just put a conventionally attractive girl on their page and give them piercings, and it's
Who?
all over
The girls?
No. There's this
Do you not know?
Mumbai की shop है I think.
अबे दिल्ली की है.
दिल्ली की
कौन
है.
सी? कौन सी?
है एक पेज आएगा रील्स आएंगी तेरे भी फीड पे. I
No,
think.
but what is the name?
I don't know.
I forgot. It's like some guy's shop. He
Huh.
does tattoos and I think piercings.
And
And he just records girls, asks them,
okay,
did it hurt?
yeah,
Did it
yeah.
hurt? And all of them are 10 out of 10.
And
man.
you
Yeah,
know
I've seen that,
the
I've
K
seen
girl
that.
that you're talking about, she's actually like some I think brand ambassador किसी
So
clothing
उस
brand की.
उन लड़कियों
She
में
was at
एक,
ISF.
उनमें एक लड़की में एक थी कृष्ण का
Okay.
और या कृष्णिका या कृष्णा
कृष्णागी ऐसे करके.
हाँ,
Hmm.
कृषांगी I think or some shit like that. Okay, bro, fine.
Hmm. Why the fuck are you daydreaming about
Okay.
a random girl?
भाई she's pretty यार. I'm not daydreaming but she's pretty.
I can say that. Yeah.
हाँ.
There are a lot of
Complimenting.
pretty girls.
You can compliment.
Yeah, so
There are a lot
okay,
of
that's
pretty
that.
girls.
There's a
Vikalp,
thin. I think there's a thin line.
Your
between harassment
definition
and
of pretty
complimenting.
girls. Your definition.
यार कितनी बढ़िया लड़की है. Oh भाई. That is, I think, that is borderline. Oh, yeah, don't make fun of her. She's a happy clicking picture. Fuck off. That is so mean.
I fucking forgot it's a two-way glass.
Chat, see the auntie getting a photo.
पार्किंग में जा रहे हैं. Yeah, so we are back home almost, but no. So okay,
I look like
Oh,
a ghost. Oh, this looks like an angel circle.
hello. हाँ, तो मैं क्या कह रहा था?
First day of me driving without crashing somewhere.
A car is there. Wait, no.
Like, don't sit with me if you're going to yell every time we crash. Don't sit with me if you're going to panic every time I hit a curb. Yeah, so वही ये तो.
But like Vikalp doesn't know how to drive. Like,
अच्छा, I drive better than you. At least
This
I don't.
guy-
At least I don't hit my ass on the way back reversing parking में.
I didn't get to fucking understand. I didn't get to understand.
I was trying to
Then
say
raise
that
the
at least I didn't hit my car's rear while reversing.
It's called rear
in
ending.
the parking.
It's called rear ending.
Rear ending is when another car's hitting you from behind.
No.
That's called rear
No.
ending. Yeah, that's called rear.
No.
Don't gaslight me.
No.
That is what rear ending is. I'll rear-end you by my. यार क्या है? Fumble करी जा रहा हूँ. Yeah, so.
That's how we fumble the baddies.
Oh, I fumble every day. मेरे को बड़ा मजा आता है fumble करने में. मेरे को मैं fumble नहीं करता. मैं बस.
What was your latest fumble?
Not a fumble anymore. It's just I don't give two shits about.
You don't fuck with bitches.
I don't fuck with bitches.
No, but still the.
What do you fuck with,
You know,
guys?
no. The
Yeah.
craziest fumble you had.
Craziest I never fumble.
Vikalp?
No.
Vikalp, please.
Yeah.
अभी recently हुआ है. Don't even fuck with me, man.
Yeah. Oh.
Vikalp, don't even get me started. I'm not gonna say anything, but
No, it's like just random ass thing, and it's like 2 years back. Just tell a story.
See.
Whatever happened recently, you just make it a story 2 years back.
you just told
You just said it. So it kind of defeats the purpose. But yeah. Okay. So basically, I've never fumbled anyone.
Apart from 2 weeks
I
back.
just reciprocate what I get. That's the thing. If you show any slightest bit of disinterest in me, I'll just be like, कोई बात नहीं. I'll do the same. No, I'm not nonchalant. Please, I try to be nonchalant, but I'm very much chalant. I chalant a lot. I chalant every day. So yeah, not. I don't fumble.
Acha, okay, hypothetically, if you fumbled a girl 2 weeks ago, how would that be?
बता दे असली में बता दे क्या हुआ है.
I'll tell it to you after I press this red button to stop. So yeah, I don't fumble.
No, let's just assume hypothetically whatever
Okay,
happened happened
if
with
I do
Mohawk.
fumble.
Yeah, if you do fumble, it happened with Mohawk. So tell a Mohawk story 2 weeks back.
Okay.
Defeats the whole purpose.
What happened?
No, I'll just give you a hypothetical situation. If I do fumble someone, okay. If I fumble, like for example, I fumbled a girl. What I'll do?
Yeah.
I won't do anything.
How would you fumble? Like, what would be the scenario?
What are the possibilities of me
No,
fumbling?
what is the fucking scenario?
I don't get it. You tell yours.
How would you
No,
fumble
please
her? How would you fumble?
There are a lot of ways, bro.
Yeah,
How?
Do not know
tell
me.
the best way. Tell the best way to fumble her.
Okay. The best way to fumble women is just to. I'll
Be
reply
yourself,
very
Vikalp.
ironically.
Vikalp, be yourself.
I guess good guys
You
finish
guys-
last. I'm just a.
Creep.
नहीं but ठीक है. अच्छा, we're talking about if I were to fumble, how would I fumble?
Yeah.
Like ये है ना scenario कि मेरे को जान के करनी है fumble ताकि दूर चली जाए.
Whatever. हो गया, कर दिया.
I'll just start.
Being
So
myself.
basically होता गलती से ही है, बोला जानबूझ के जाता है. So
हाँ मैंने जान के करा था. अरे हाँ मैं चाहता था.
Vikalp, fair भाई.
So okay, if I were to fumble someone, I'd probably like. No, because what happens is.
what? How would?
Yeah, I'm telling that. I will start acting like an insecure girlfriend. Like if you don't reply back like 5 minutes,
Okay.
I'm like, did you wear protection? Was it fun? Did you have fun? What are you going to name your kids?
I was very insecure. पहले in my first relationship. This is how I fumbled an actual baddie. Not my first relationship, but like it was like when I got like fucking mature enough to
First
understand.
interaction with female without the
Childishness.
Okay.
like you both
Let's-
knew it wasn't friendship.
हाँ.
That वो पहली चीज.
अबे
It was something.
my first girlfriend was back in 6th grade. उस
That is
वक्त
not
नहीं
anything.
exactly.
You
I
either
don't
date
consider.
someone in middle school or you're funny now. This is why I'm funny.
Moving
So
on.
so when I finally had like a proper girlfriend, I think it was 9th
That
or 10th
Mexican
grade.
वो,
अबे that was 6th grade.
Mexican. She was Mexican.
LIS. वहाँ पे you'll find everyone. A little
हाँ.
bit of this, a little bit of that.
Bro, Lance's convent.
International.
International.
कॉन्वेंट तो प्रशांत विहार में वहाँ
हाँ.
सारे पागल होते हैं.
ये है ना ये.
अच्छा तू इंटरनेशनल का नहीं है.
हाँ.
तू इंटरनेशनल का है.
Can't you tell by the accent उसका accent कितना forced है?
Oh, okay.
Why are you firing shots for no reason?
When your homeboy 5'3",
4.
4'3".
Five.
हाँ ठीक है तू बता रहा था आगे. Continue.
So I was just insecure about myself. मेरे को like लोग बोलते रहे कि मैं मतलब इतना मोटा भी नहीं था बट मैं बहुत पतला भी नहीं
तू
था.
पहले ज्यादा पतला था.
नहीं उस वक्त की
अच्छा
बात
ठीक है.
कर
हाँ
रहा
हाँ
हूँ.
ठीक है.
So I was like but I was skinny as well. Na? Like I didn't have muscles either. So I was like fat, but
Fat. Just fat.
thin, fat, skinny,
Skinny fat.
but also no muscle.
Like
Um,
a bunny uncle.
Worst body type.
I was worst body type. People were saying कि मतलब इससे पतला भी मत हो, but इससे मोटा भी मत हो. But man's body कैसे बनी? तो I was there. I was also short. Everybody started getting taller, man. I think it was 9th या 10th grade की बात है जो मैं बता रहा हूँ. Everybody started getting taller and everything. And I was akele because I just changed schools. I was very fucking and COVID. Changed schools, akele, no friends. So I became very dependent on the woman. If this bitch isn't replying,
You lose your self-worth.
March with
यार
me.
मेरे से तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता.
March with me, बिल्कुल. That is how I was. So this is how I fumbled. I was too insecure. And that was caused by, the worst fumble. Like even when I talk to her now and I ask her everything, like what was the biggest problem, this was the only problem.
Is it?
My funniest fumble
Many.
was, so there was a certain type of guys and the girl I was talking to didn't like. Like,
And you are exactly that type?
No, I became that
Oh,
type.
okay.
So you're like, I don't like, so it was just first time. So I'm like, okay, so why are you talking to me and not to those other guys who are hitting on you? Just like, okay, because you're not like this and they're like this. I ended up being the guy in that category.
Like,
Yeah.
define that category.
So it's,
Like, were there any specific
But
traits?
why would he just fucking
yeah.
bad
No,
mouth
but you're
himself?
not like that now, right? I'm
Yeah,
assuming.
yeah, that's old. But
कब की बात है?
before 12th and first year के बीच में, first year.
तो no, like describe that type of guys.
So that type was basically acting like a boyfriend in a situationship.
Me for real.
Yeah,
I'm loyal to all my talking stages.
You shouldn't be like that.
I thought you were saying you're a bad person in that situation that you're saying.
No,
that
no,
you're a
no.
good guy, and she was describing a bad guy. कि तू ऐसे at least ऐसा नहीं है. And then you ended up being a
giving a
bad.
trait.
No. So that was bad for her. Nah.
That she didn't want a boyfriend in a situationship.
She didn't even.
I mean,
मतलब
a normal
That's a
thing, a
bad
very
thing.
normal thing to do.
But yeah.
No, but like that is so annoying. Even if like I were to talk to someone and she's acting like my girlfriend, खाना खाया,
No, not
बताओ.
not.
पागल है
मम्मी है
क्या?
तू मेरी
पागल है क्या?
माता है क्या तू मेरी?
Because that happens and that is very repulsive.
हाँ.
Because that is also happening with me.
खाना खाया तुमने?
मतलब, okay.
थोड़ा
ऐसे नाम बोलो.
Let's go.
तो yeah, मैं तेरे को context दे दूंगा
Okay.
उसके बाद. So that is like if like someone is too into
Him.
like if you, it is fine when you like the girl more than she likes you.
Yeah, but when it's
But
opposite,
तब
then
तब मरेगी, तुम्हें पता है मरेगी.
हाँ.
But when the girl likes you more than you're like,
Been there. Recently
वो
been
देखिए
there.
ना कि when you're having a bad day and a random girl texts you, delivered all day is crazy.
Just
dude. Okay.
बंदा relate कर रहा भाई.
That is so annoying. Like, okay, ठीक है.
That is true. I related to that reel as well. I saw that reel अभी एक आध दिन
When
पहले.
a random
very,
girl
very.
says delivered all day is crazy and you're already having a bad day.
I'm like fuck ये भी नहीं.
Crash out, valid crash out. TSPM. TSPM. This shit pisses me off.
भाई तू कुछ भी कहा
Just
था.
हाँ तो okay. So yeah, if I were to fumble someone,
Which you
I'd
have
start
done.
acting like an insecure man child.
No, but I think girls find that attractive.
Some
Insecure
do,
man child.
but do you know? But do you know? No.
They were-
That is a very
no,
big
because
red flag.
That is, but that's what girls like. That girls, it's like a boy
Okay.
will transform into a
One
man.
more
Like, they are
controversial. No,
complex.
one more not controversial, but it's fine only if you look good. Like if an ugly girl, I'm not pointing at you. I'm saying if an ugly girl comes up to me and says कि उससे बात कर लेना, मैं तो साइड
हाँ.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. अरे वो तो छोड़. मैं बताता हूँ. तूने जो बोला ना man child वाली insecure man child. That's exactly is explaining me and why I fumbled a woman. He's like the women find that attractive, bitch. No, that it is the worst.
I think,
but I
I think the women that like these kind of people are more.
Insecure.
No, they are more to be stayed away from.
Yeah, I guess.
They are more problematic than the people actually the problem.
So basically, when she's being attracted to a problematic guy, so definitely
She's-
she's also problematic.
My
too,
problematic guy are different. They are the guys who have commitment issues. These are the actual problems. The person who doesn't love himself is
No, like a proper man child जो बकचोदी कर रहा है, तुमने ये क्यों करा, तुमने ये क्यों करा, तुम दूर रहो, इस लड़के से बात मत करो.
Basically,
That
over
is-
possessiveness at a very early stage.
Yeah,
when you're not
exactly.
even in a relationship.
I didn't pull
And
that.
even that happened
I was
with
not.
that-
I was
that-
not insecure like that. I was just insecure about myself. Ki, why is this bitch with me? Man, just-
No, that is like she should. Now she has committed.
You put the woman on a pedestal, basically.
Yeah, kind
that
of.
is wrong.
I
That
used to.
should not do
Not
that.
anymore.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
You should not do that.
पहले भाई 9th grade, 10th grade. अब नहीं, अब तो मान है.
तब तो मेक्सिकन भी थी ना.
अबे नहीं.
No,
अब
because it's
6th grade
not-
में Mexican.
And it's not just about
Why did
6th grade में bro, I swear I was the fucking shit, man.
people who
I was
date
the
in
fucking
middle
shit.
school are red flags themselves and should be stayed away from. Well, why the fuck are you dating in 6th
Why are you bad mouthing in court?
Why
Why are you bad mouthing the
Why
court?
are you fucking dating in 6th, 8th grade? That does not count. You are
निकल यहाँ
not
से.
sunroof. No, but like people who date in and do you know one of those friend circles?
Us.
One of those friend circles in every school. One of those friend circles in every school. There is this one friend circle where you form a group and basically everybody's dating everyone. Basically polyamorous situation going on. What the fuck is that?
But not at the right same time. That is more fun.
भाई I think that
6th grade के बच्चे, 8th grade के बच्चे, हमारे स्कूल में 8th grade में हुआ था. I'll tell you which group I'm talking about. Like what the fuck is that, bro? Have you tried being normal? Like did you try
like what
once
was
being
happening in
normal?
explaining it? Like a girl is dating 3 guys or what?
No.
So
It's
3 guys,
basically,
3
yeah,
girls, everyone with everyone at some point in time.
Look,
a bigger number, 4 guys, 3 girls.
I don't see a
One
problem.
guy is always left out. Nobody wants to date him.
Oh, then though, that's the sad. That's just fucking sad.
Everybody's dating and he's just waiting. भाई मेरा नंबर है.
सारे gossip दे रहे हैं, ये तो ऐसे मैं किसकी दूं?
हाँ तो okay. For example, एक वेब चार्ट है. 3 लड़के, 3 लड़कियाँ. एक वो लड़का वो कोने में. I feel for that guy. I was that guy. ठीक है? I wasn't that guy, but ठीक है. I could relate to it. So like this girl has dated this guy, this guy, this guy. This girl has dated this guy, this
So
guy.
permutation combination में it's like
3 into 3 कितना होता है? 3 into 3 into 3.
9.
नहीं,
No,
नहीं, मेरी मैथ अच्छी नहीं थी.
3 into 3 9 is over 9 relationships.
Yeah.
So
हाँ, 9 relation.
उसके साथ भी तेरे साथ भी कर रहा है वो.
नहीं
तेरे साथ तो कोई भी नहीं कर रहा ना.
हाँ, एक तो अकेला ही है वो.
तो laundry भी नहीं कर रहे.
Masturbating alone. No, because वो भी कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे. What are you
Guys
supposed
are
to do in
dating
6th
among
grade?
themselves.
Share your
हाँ.
crayons. हाँ नहीं वो नहीं कर रहा.
Let's not talk about 6th grade.
Yeah. okay.
Yeah, 6th
So-
grade and like 9 pairs, man. Damn.
Damn.
I don't like people who date in 6th to 8th grade.
भाई मेरे
Yes,
एक
maybe.
पहिए में 38 है PSI और एक में 35, एक में 33.
Okay.
That's not fine. My
Okay.
that tire might get
Okay.
fucked up.
No, bro.
My 38 पे है
Thanks for
वो.
wasting 10 seconds. I'll never get again. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, enough about that. So yeah, fumble ऐसे कर सकते हैं. I have never
That's
personally
what she said
fumbled.
in bed.
I have never fumbled personally.
Would she say that in bed?
But I swear to God, this guy is lying, भाई. I swear. क्यों?
That is not a fumble.
Bro, I have seen you fumble a lot of times.
Just the one time.
Okay,
अब कभी नहीं
now
करा.
he's coming at to one.
No, that is not because that is not a fumble.
Cut to. I haven't fumbled anyone.
Clip farming. No, okay. Minus the one time.
No, bro.
अच्छा, okay,
Define fumbling.
नहीं.
Define fumbling.
The concert में you trying like going to approach a girl.
Oh, I never approach one. पागल है क्या भाई?
He doesn't approach.
पागल है क्या?
Even I don't. We
डर
both
लगता
don't do that.
Do you do that?
But I don't. If I go to concert, I don't have
Yeah, you
women
don't
in my space.
Yeah, you don't have
Then
time for that shit. You're
Not
there
even the
making
time.
money.
Even if I have the time, I don't. The women are not at the place where I am.
It's either of us get approached.
Okay, we'll share his work on our
the part is
stories.
the girls I can approach are the artists. Those are way too hot and unapproachable. So you can just
But
go and
to be
ask
honest,
yourself.
to be honest, one thing
You
I've
can.
learned.
No,
one
how
thing
can I
I've
approach an
learned.
artist?
There's
Like a
no
girl,
such
you can't
thing.
cool.
There's
Why
no
not?
such thing as
Definitely.
someone being out of your league.
It's
Because
very easy to talk
women
to them.
want medium ugly guys.
Let's go.
Medium ugly guys who are funny.
वीडियो बंद कर दो हाँ.
So okay. तो हाँ.
Women want
There's no such thing
man-child.
as a woman being out of your league.
Yeah.
This motherfucker could be half her height, but still have the courage to approach her. And what if she's into that? You don't know.
Have you ever tried?
Why am I getting counseled?
I'm just telling, bro. It's getting out of hand. All those gay jokes are starting to sound a little too real.
जब से तेरे ने
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I don't fumble. I don't chase.
अभी माना था एक बारी करा है. अभी और भी बताऊंगा ना. अभी तेरे को
I'm
याद
a
दिलाऊं.
different person.
याद दिलाऊं.
याद दिला. नाम ले ले तू.
याद
नहीं.
दिलाऊं क्या?
क्या?
याद
That is not a fumble. Oh please. Oh please. Oh,
You
please.
were crying. You were.
That is not. That
You
is not a
were
fumble. That is
crying.
just bad things happening
You
to me.
were crying. Why has she done this? Why has she done that?
Okay. एक second.
Chuta.
Calm your
Chuta.
tits. Calm
Chuta
your
है.
tits. Okay, that is not a fumble. That is just called bad things. Bad things. That is
South African.
Your
Bad things.
backbone.
Bad things.
Diddle me this backbone. Okay, no. That is not fumbling. That is just bad things happening to a very silly little guy
But
like me.
fuck off.
क्या गलती थी मेरी उसमें? मैंने क्या फंबल करा? मुंह तुम मार रहे हो. मुंह तुम मार रहे हो. तुम देख नहीं रहे आसपास की और that is not my problem.
You fumbled his girl.
नहीं. अबे it's worse. It's fucking worse. It's so funny. बालों ना देखो.
हाँ. तो okay, I have never fumbled. I have never.
ये अभी तो बताइए.
I have never textbook fumbled. Fumble can have a lot of different meanings.
No, it's just.
It is open to interpretation. You are wrong. My interpretation is correct.
Simple as fuck, and when we define fumble, he'll say, okay, 10 5 times.
I have fumbled once. That's it.
But-
Twice.
Okay. Fumbling means you had them.
Then once.
I'm saying कि if you say you fumbled someone, that means you had possession. Stay with me now. Fumbling someone means you were with them.
तो ठीक है. एक बारी तो मान फिर. एक बारी तो मान सकता है.
नहीं, because it's not necessary you have to be with them.
नहीं, you have to. At least it should be
You
mutual.
don't get what
See,
I'm
then
trying to
that's
say.
not fumbling.
On paper.
You're not getting what
On paper it should be mutual. Like let me explain. Let's say I am into a girl
And she is
and that girl needs to be into me in order for me to fumble her.
Didn't get my reference. I was saying,
That's it.
even if you fumble
Don't
a
have
random
to be
chick,
together, but
even
if
if
situationship basically.
No. अबे यार, it's like just two people liking each other,
Yeah.
going out
Yeah.
or not going out.
Yeah.
But a guy still can fumble her because he might just say something like I like kids or something. And then yeah, you see my point.
Yeah.
That is fumbling.
Okay, basically it's like semi dating.
Achha,
like
okay.
partially seeing her.
A better
Just
question.
two people into each
A
other.
better question. What is the most minuscule thing that you've noticed about a woman you were talking to, and that repulsed you a lot? That shouldn't have, but that made you not want to talk to that girl. सबसे tiniest ऐसी चीज. It could be anything, and it's a safe space.
No, it is not.
It really is not that safe. Not real.
No, but we're not
Okay.
naming it. Na, we're just
Okay.
telling.
Okay,
वो
okay,
चीज
I-
क्या होनी चाहिए?
I-
That should be something. हाँ,
Man,
okay,
I'll
you
answer.
go
Like,
first.
two,
Take
three
care,
things. Like not once, just to तो
हाँ,
दो
ठीक
तीन
है.
चीजें of a variety if we say. Hair on hands, like very
Okay, body
hairy
hair.
hands. Very hairy hands.
We don't condone body shaming here. We don't condone. Samir might have part 2, but नहीं ठीक है. It's a safe space because we are only getting 60 views.
अबे
on
it's
this
like
video.
something he does not like.
I just
Yeah,
don't
it's a
like.
preference.
I
It's a preference.
If someone is groomed, I like it.
And
If
very
some-
much-
if
it's very
she's
much
not-
like a
Okay,
girl
a
thing.
better way to word it.
if
A
she's
better way
not-
to word it. He likes women
Who
that
groom.
takes care of themselves and
Yeah.
groom
See,
well.
I see, so now what are other elements of grooming that you trim your mustache,
Body
you
hair,
have
facial hair.
facial hair,
Yeah.
and something.
And I think it goes both ways, just to like not to offend anyone. It
Yeah.
goes both ways.
I don't
you
like
could
guys
like
with
guys
hair.
that are clean
I
shaven,
don't
or you
like
could
hairy
like
guys.
someone with
हाँ,
Yeah.
just to cut करके.
you could like this, you could like this, you could like this, and you could like somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
So like yeah, that is not something that should be. Oh boy, कैसे बोल दिया?
भाई
Yeah.
तेरी तो आती नहीं है. तू इसलिए बोल रहा है.
Oh,
Oh.
बोली आती है मेरी.
थोड़ा है मेरा.
Okay, so हाँ ठीक है. Okay, what more?
Abhi, हाँ, let me explain it better. It's like girls saying कि like we like
No.
tall guys.
So basically, yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
can't control your height,
You,
na?
how the fuck are you body
But you
shaming?
can control how you present
How the
yourself.
fuck are you body shaming out height?
You can control how you present yourself. You can't control your height.
ना चलो ठीक है fine.
That is a different issue. चल ठीक है.
तू
आगे.
बचपन में लटका क्यों नहीं? तूने बूस्ट क्यों नहीं पिया?
Exactly.
मैंने
Comp
बहुत
plan.
कॉम प्लान पिया है भाई.
Fake
लौड़ा हुआ है
advertisement.
मेरा उससे.
हाँ.
बहुत
Defamation
कॉम है.
Is that all?
You have to tell a physical X or like no.
Yeah, physical X.
Physical X.
Mentally
Physical
भी हो
X.
सकती है.
नहीं, mentally X, that is personality
Personality.
issues. That is something you can ignore.
Physical.
No.
एक
That's something
तो-
you see in that person, or maybe a habit.
Okay.
It could be something they do. For
By
example,
physical,
Like
so it is
spitting
going
while
to be.
talking, that shit as fuck. If
Okay.
someone spits.
That's
a
just
spray,
what are they
say
called?
it,
Pet
don't
peeves हैं ये.
say it,
ये तो
don't
pet
spray
peeves हो गए
it.
ना ये.
Yeah,
Say
yeah,
it, don't
pet.
spray.
You're talking
ये तो
about
pet peeves हो गए ना फिर तो.
not exactly pet peeves. I'm just talking ki when you want to pursue someone romantically,
Okay. Bangs.
bangs, hair bangs.
Hair bangs. Red flag. Because I won't date a girl with bangs. Ever.
I like bangs.
Now
I
I
hate
have
that.
realized girls with red hair need to stay away
You
from.
see, red hair, I think that's like a temporary thing that can
Bro,
be changed about them.
no, no way. Staying away from those women.
I think women stay with me now.
I think women.
I think women who currently do have red hair, stay away from them.
But who
But
had
women who had red hair,
can be good.
they know what red hair did to them, and they have experience. And like you should like,
They're experienced.
they are good people.
They're experienced.
They're good girls.
They're experienced.
I like formerly
experienced.
redhead baddies. Let's start a new thing.
Do you like gothic chicks?
I don't.
Do you like gothic chicks?
I want to be able to pull that aesthetic, but I can't fuck with.
I am into
What
it
do you
and
think?
not into
Gothic
it.
is
Depends,
like a,
depends on
Wait,
what
do
the
you
girl
think?
is.
Gothic is an appearance or a mindset?
I think both.
I think
Let's be
it's-
diplomatic right now.
I don't think
Yeah,
women
AC on करेगा,
nowadays.
गर्मी लग रही है.
I think women nowadays, at least, like that dress like that, don't really are like into the culture and just dress that way. Going to be very honest with you.
I
It's
don't
like going to gas concerts.
I don't like no, but that is that is not gothic.
That is not-
Not
just-
exactly gothic, but a lot of like
People do show up in
decent,
goth attires
yeah,
because it's
anything.
black, so they're like
Exactly.
Hello.
Why not be?
scars all over their bodies and shit.
That's not.
That's emo.
Potato, I don't care. Yeah, but okay, not gothic. I like opium. Opium is basically
Cardi fans.
chrome hearts,
Ah, got it.
silver jewelry,
Yeah.
black rugged off, homeless clothes, baggy
Basically,
jeans.
Cardi
tight,
and
tight
Carson
top
fans.
and baggy
Yeah,
jeans.
my
Tight.
coated combo. My fit will never be as good as a girl in a crop top and a baggy jeans.
Red crop top and your.
देखो
That-
बनाएंगे इसको बनाएंगे.
मेरा नहीं,
इसको बनाएंगे.
Oh, I'll
Crop
wear
top.
crop and show off my waist, which is like sluttier than 98% of the female population. Yeah,
कपड़े
okay.
उतार, कपड़े उतार.
So yeah, okay. What is your like सबसे repulsive cheese in a girl that you can't stand with it? Stand seeing it.
Why it is more mental with me, yaar.
What is
What?
it?
It's like if we just, it's more about fucking with each other, man. It's like how, it's just, if I can't vibe with her 24/7, even if 1 hour of that day I'm like, कि भाई दूर रहे.
No, but what is
Post
the
nut.
ick? What is the ick? That's the your issue, no?
हाँ. Ick,
उसमें
ick.
क्या
What
ick
is
होनी
the
चाहिए?
ick?
भाई
Could be.
personality है यार. It's just personality for me in general. If I don't,
Paglu
if I
fire
can't,
boss.
if I can't have her 24/7
She's not an
आसपास.
object. You can't get her.
Yeah, exactly. You have to
Paglu.
achieve.
Chut paglu.
हाँ तो वो तो I'll have to do work on myself now.
Chut paglu.
Yeah, you know, girls.
यार
are
तू
like,
पर्सनालिटी छोड़. तू बता तेरे को क्या नहीं लगता अच्छा देखने में.
Physically,
हाँ.
I just like a bit girls which are a bit thick,
You
not like thin women or not fat women, thick women. There's a
You don't like
difference.
stick figures
Or very thin women.
or very thick.
हाँ
You don't like mommies. You don't like stick figures.
हाँ. It's just
Somewhere in
Normal
the
होनी
middle.
चाहिए.
यार ये this is very generic. This is not you're not
Yeah,
different.
मतलब that yeah.
how.
You have to be different. Say.
Bhai, the type of women I like, you don't find them attractive at all. Fuck
Because
you mean?
I like a woman with a lethal face card.
You don't like.
No, but okay. The problem is I have two extreme
I'll show you the
types.
girl I'm talking about.
I
She has a
have
good
two
face card disguises bad.
extreme. Oh please.
It just doesn't know how to
Oh,
look at
please,
it.
okay.
Fuck off.
Acha, okay. Show me. I'll give a live reaction.
I kind of have alternating types. It
Show,
will
show
either
me
be-
your face type. He'll show
Okay,
me
yeah.
his face type. I'll just see who.
There's this
who's better.
influencer called
भाई
Ella
मेरा फोन
Christo.
है.
Shoot हो रहा है उसमें.
नहीं.
नहीं मेरा फोन है. फोन की बैटरी डेड होने वाली है. 4 more minutes and then we are
बच के
okay.
डर गया था मैं.
My type is either
You
women.
show me your type. Don't tell.
अच्छा इसके फोन में दिखाऊंगा. Okay, it's either women with insane
आ
face
नहीं रहा है.
cards and a slutty waist and like borderline brain rot humor. If I can find all of this in a single girl, then she's my dream girl, bro.
Arpit Balakul.
No. Women that listen to DHH, no offense, can stay the fuck away from me.
You do you listen to
No.
DHH? What do you listen to?
I listen to
Lana Del Rey.
no.
Swiftie.
I
iOS
don't.
50.
No. I don't personally have anything against their music.
कान लूट दो घर जाके दिखाता हूँ. But it's like I'll
I don't
explain.
have
It's
anything
like
against Lana Del Rey or Taylor Swift.
it's like women that are Latinas but Indian. और Latinas भी चलेगी. But Indian. I'm fine with that. भाई
Mohak Batra from Karol Bagh wants Latinas.
भाई physically में this is something I'm yeah. But even that doesn't matter if the personality is
I
nice.
love me flat chicks. I like. I don't mind because frankly I can't handle all that. I am just a very छोटा बच्चा. नहीं but ठीक है okay. My type is either very
I'll have to
bachot
edit
women.
this shit. I'll have to edit this, you know.
Why?
Fuck do you mean, why?
Why?
I'll have to
What did I say?
be उल्टू
What did I
ठीक है.
say?
I'm just a baby.
Add like
I'm just a baby.
It's
Man क्या
either, it's either a little.
no, just add as a beep.
It's either a little chubby women who are very
Bro,
bachot.
that's it. That's it.
Very,
Exactly.
very
You
bachot.
said it.
No,
You
but
said it.
they have to be okay.
5 to
Okay, on the
mini
graph,
girls.
on the graph of
Chavi.
this being the bachod level or hotness or no, not hotness. We are not talking about looks here. This is personality, and personality being bachod / brain rotted / whatever you wanted, and this being the hot scale. Ki how much attractive do you have to be?
This guy thinks he's Barney.
This is the graph.
And
So
this
for
is
a
the
woman to
line.
be insanely bachod, she'll have to be somewhere in the. Let's divide it into 4 quadrants. Give the quadrants.
If she is this much bakshot, she needs to be somewhere here
no,
in the hotness
no,
scale.
थोड़ा इधर चलेगा.
No, trust me.
A 7.
It needs to be symmetric.
Wait. Make the graph again.
Not
okay.
with me, Nazar.
Tell me the theory again. Tell the theory again.
This
This
is
is
the
hotness.
attractiveness.
Center मिला इसे.
And that is
Now.
subjective, please. Attractiveness for me is subjective because I have dated women that
Ugly.
weren't that conventionally
Ugly.
attractive, but
Ugly.
personality was goated.
Ugly quoted.
Same, I have done the same.
And yeah,
That is true only. Right?
Yeah,
That's
okay.
not bad.
this is the graph.
But when your friends say she's ugly,
The
then you will
correlation
be like,
should be 1 to 1,
No,
huh?
I don't care because okay, if I show a girl
to him.
Mohako, I know he'll not like how they look because we have very different types. So yeah, I don't usually ask for a.
And
I
that
was
is
saying-
very good. I really like how we don't have the same type, so we can never get into
But-
a fight.
My type, his type. My type is.
But the point being कि तुम दोनों साथ में कैसे लग रहे हो? उसका opinion तो he would give the
Oh,
best.
I like good with every woman.
What do you mean?
I like
क्या
good
question?
with every woman.
See, you can't like the girl maybe whom he is with, but you can tell and judge ना better than anyone that तुम दोनों साथ में कैसे लग रहे हो?
My mom has the craziest instinct. Like I think every mom
Girl
does.
instinct.
So if like I have
2 moms.
no, I don't have 2 moms. I have let 2 women meet my mother.
Okay.
One was not planned. Other one was kind of. So like
Caught red-handed.
no, not caught red. I like. Especially like I think it was too soon because both of the times it was like the 3rd or 4th date.
That's how you fumble. That's how you fumble.
I think that's the
एक
issue.
काम करो
I think
तुम्हारी
that's the
मम्मी से
issue.
मिल लो
I think that's the, they were
चलो
meeting
कॉफी
my
पीने
mother
चलते हैं.
willingly.
चलो पास्ता खाने
Both of
चलते
them-
हैं.
both
चलो
of-
मम्मी से मिलते हैं.
Both of the women met my mother willingly.
हाँ हाँ
Okay,
मना
तो
कौन
मैंने कहा
करेगी
जबरदस्ती
यार?
कौन लेके जाता है मम्मी से मिल मेरी
नहीं खुद से unprovoked.
हाँ हाँ तो प्रवोक करके कौन लेके
इसमें
जाता
यही
है
प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी है.
हाँ, तो नहीं है
हाँ,
कौन कह रहा
तो
था
I'm just saying-
It's too soon.
And both of the time my mother was like.
No, not it
And the funny part is I had to lie to the women that my mother liked you so much. मजा आ गया मम्मी को.
My mom liked the one that I'm talking about, the one I fumbled. After that, I have taken
Bro,
mom.
it's a different kind of hurt when you introduce someone to your mother and your mom likes them and then you end up falling apart.
Fuck man, that I still if you're fucking watching this,
But bro is
I fucked up. Still hurts.
Please
Still
come
hurt.
back.
नहीं,
Please
नहीं.
come
That
back.
meme, that meme
Eventually,
sliding and
if she wants to इतना beg भी नहीं, I'll be the same person if I start begging.
Please, please.
I'll be the same person if I'm begging.
But
Bitch,
yeah.
don't come back.
Don't. Reverse psychology.
Stay away from me,
Ah.
bitch.
Manifesting. Fine shit will be mine.
Fine shit will be
Hashtag
mine.
fine shit will be. गिर जाता अभी वहाँ पे.
अच्छा मामा.
मजाक नहीं है ये, ठीक है?
खुद के रहा है भी. हाँ, so I think for me personality matters more. Looks का I would prefer, but I'm no one to prefer. मैं अभी कुछ
विकल्प तेरा ही क्या है?
मैं
विकल्प
Zac
तेरा-
Efron नहीं हूँ.
विकल्प तेरा ही क्या है? अच्छा मेरा एक? हाँ मैं बताता हूँ.
भाई मेरे से स्टार्ट हो गया भाई.
So okay, मेरा ही क्या है? मैंने बता दिया वैसे. Mine is
हाँ.
just if you aren't that level of bakchod corresponding to the level of
हाँ
attraction.
तो 1 of 1 है ना तेरा.
Okay, I also don't like women that are just hot.
Bro,
Like,
यार
you
they
don't
don't have
bring anything
personality.
to- you don't bring anything to the table. You're just
You
good
just
looking.
what you bring to the table is yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
And that should be it because that will fade away.
Yes.
Okay.
We can bring anything to the table.
And to be honest, when women actually want to date to marry, they don't give looks that much of a priority. You have to be giving. You have to bring something to the table. And the difference is, you could be rich but broke, but you could be poor but not broke. If that makes sense.
I'll tell you. The one that I fumbled, you should dance. ठीक है? Could cook. Because most of the time parents weren't home. Bro could what else?
Bro was
could.
wifey material.
Bro, 100%.
You know what I think? I
This is
think
bhai,
girls
that
can
fumbling-
date. Girls can date whoever they want. Guys can marry whoever they want.
Not fair enough.
I think.
I think मतलब the
unless the
choice,
girl is the one that I fumbled.
No. What's the like logic behind
The
it?
logic is कि is to date. You know, dating initially.
Well, लड़कियां
is
they
more
have
like-
an upper hand there, while in marriage we
the
have
guys
an upper
have an
hand.
upper hand. You guys
Because at the end of the day, we are the ones who are like the leader of the relationship. Now, once the marriage is there.
yeah.
But
कि-
that is only true
Because-
if like you are
Bhai, because
a
marriage
girls
is like
good
a
value
options.
man.
For dating, girls have many options. For marriage,
Like
guys have
divorce
many
का is a problem ना यार. Like why would if you're getting married, you'll have to listen to whatever the man has to say and the woman has to do. They have
Yeah,
to
they
make
have
it
to be
work.
mutual enough.
They have to make it work.
Yeah, but again, wouldn't women already have more options?
Because
to get
it
No,
married?
not in marriage because I think.
भाई
guys
but यही
would
तो
know.
दिक्कत आ रही है यार.
क्या?
यही तो दिक्कत आ रही है. That's why most of them break ना nowadays because they are like कि हम नहीं सुनेंगे लड़कों की बात तो. See my point?
That is fair,
हाँ.
but okay.
Which is fair to a point, to a limit.
No, because if you like take the decision of marrying someone, I think that is not something to be like कि भाई
You should try
हाँ,
not
कि
to go back
एक
on your
minor
word.
problem आ गई.
हाँ, you
तो
should
भाई,
not try to go back on your word after that. Of course.
Our parents made it work, even though they may not have the happiest marriage.
But
But that
they
is
still-
that is what marriage is.
That is why Vikalp is happy right now. Do it for Vikalp. Stay with your man. Be loyal.
Gang signs.
No, but that is what marriage is. You don't have to. And to be honest, I know there's no love in arranged marriages. That is a myth that हमारे parents की arranged marriage थी, but फिर वो प्यार में पड़ गए. That is something that is forced. कि ठीक है, now you're together, you have to make it work. Because divorce isn't that easy उस time पे भी. Up to it's very easy. You can be married for a year and then get a divorce. But you'll have to adjust. You'll have to compromise something. Some things will be compromised for you.
People just don't want to make it work anymore. They like in the
Comfort zone,
slightest,
हाँ.
They-
slightest
Comfort
Perfectionist
discomfort.
इतने हैं ना, perfectionist इतने हो गए हैं ना. So,
Everything will not get handed to you on a silver
हाँ,
platter.
you have to work for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the same with relationships. Like unless you have made it clear, you just
So
want to
it's
fuck
so
around.
fun that we're moral lecturing the world. That you should fucking do
20
it.
and 21-year-olds.
With absolute zero years worth
Relationship-
of experience. I have
Bye.
never been
And
in a
three
relationship.
single guys moral lecturing the world and girls that they should be fucking loyal.
I have maximum I have dated is like I think like 6 or to 9 months.
And he's moral lecturing, spent fucking 30 years.
Maybe sixth class.
He's not even
नहीं
Mexican 6 months.
that was I think.
What if you had a Mexican child?
No, but okay.
Dude.
You don't have to be in relationships to give advice on relationship.
Facts.
Exactly, coaches don't play.
That's
Coaches die single.
Me in 10th class when I was like कि भाई मैं तो अपनी मर्जी से relationship में नहीं आता.
मिल नहीं
चाहूँ
रहे
तो
हैं।
line लगा दूँ. And meanwhile how I looked in 10th grade. Insert picture.
bro was proper ganda.
Oh, मोटा तो नहीं था.
Hyperganda.
Hyper ganda.
Propaganda.
Yeah, okay. So
Proper पटोला.
लगता है
अरे
अरे हनी सिंह की तुम्हें रैप याद है?
हाँ.
वो किसका?
High
heels.
High heels.
High heels का शुरू कर.
तेरा देसी कलाकार. एक काम कर.
दे-
lock कर.
कट पे है, फिर lock कर.
Phone.
रख ले.
भाई ये fuck up. कह रहा याद है then fucks up.
प्यार कर.
याद है then fucks up.
मैंने क्रिसमस पार्टी में भी सेम चीज करी थी.
हाँ.
But that was just because I was drunk and high.
But you do it every time.
No.
Even when you're sober.
I know super bass by heart. And when I was singing along, वहाँ पे I was like, this one is मेरे को lyrics नहीं आ रही थी दिमाग में क्योंकि my brain was not functioning.
Hello.
हेलो अंकल नमस्ते चलो काम की बात भी आती है. Okay bye.
अब आप ये पूछेंगे कि आप
Okay, bye.
कितना पैसे कमाते हैं?
उर्वशी
भाई,
रॉटेला
कितना?
bro.
भाई,
आपको
तो ये
पता हमारी
आपको
movie-
जो मेरे को
मेरी-
Rolex दी है।
जो मेरी रिंग मेरे डैड ने गिफ्ट करी है ये एक्चुअली दिस इज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम माय डैड. एक्चुअली हमारी जो मूवी थी आई थिंक डाकू महाराज 105 करोड़ आई थिंक.
उन्होंने फिर मेरे को Rolex गिफ्ट करी.
ये मेरी मॉम ने मुझे डायमंड स्टडीड रोलेक्स डायमंड स्टडीड
Diamond studded Rolex.
मेरा ब्रदर दुबई में ही स्टडीड इट देयर
Studied it.
in Emirates University.
But I really don't like her.
सैफ अली खान का अभी जो घर में अटैक्स हुए उस पे लेकर आपकी क्या चर्चा?
हाँ
जी,
वो मैं
बहुत
बता रही थी
safe है।
पर मेरी अपनी रिंग देखी
But
पापा ने
okay,
दिलाई है।
वो माचुदा है. आप
मेरी
मेरी
ring
गिफ्ट
देखो।
देखो. आप देखो
Why
मेरी.
answer is got that woman?
I love that. भाई that is the confidence you need in life. That उसका कैप्शन था कि enough about me. Let's talk about you. What do you think about me? Using that bro. कटनी योग चल रहा है. Anyways, okay. I think that's it for today. बहुत हमने moral ज्ञान दे दिया.
So the
No,
end
no
of the,
shit.
we should end the podcast with giving a message to the society that you should stay with your man.
And you should watch.
I
a
think
lot of-
Valentine's Day is coming up.
Yeah. Vlog will be out on Valentine's.
Ah,
Yeah.
Fresh out.
So we'll be posting on Happy Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's Day.
Happy
Woo!
हाँ, we're posting on
Yeah.
Will we be single by then?
Yes. I'll be bed rotting. I'll be in my.
I don't think.
Will
so.
Vikalp propose on Valentine's Day to someone?
No.
Well,
No.
watch till
Will
the end
you-
to find out. Watch
But
till
will
the end.
you-
Watch till the end to find out.
But this is the end.
No, इसके
अभी
बाद
मैं इसके
edit
बाद
भी तो
में
होगा
edit-
ना.
यार, तो विकल्प-
Edit भी तो होता है.
Okay, my bad.
Match cut to someone proposing to someone.
Peace out.
Cut हो चुका है.
वो करते हैं ना.
हो तो ऐसे हो गया था.
हाँ.
That was the cut.
That let's do
Editor
वो वाली
cut.
चीज. वो हाथ ला ना. अरे वो हाथ ला.
यहाँ
यार.
पर cut.
अरे यार तू पागल ही हाथ ला.